Hey, young scholars. Welcome back to JesmaEdu, your favorite stop for fun learning. Today, we're diving into something super exciting, a 30-question social studies quiz that will challenge your knowledge of history, geography, civics, and economics. Time to travel back in time. Let's see how much history you remember. Who was the first Governor-General of independent India? A. Lord Mountbatten. B. C. Rajagopalachari. C. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. D. Jawaharlal Nehru. The answer is Lord Mountbatten. He was the last British Governor-General and served post-independence until June 1948. The French Revolution began in which year? A. 1789. B. 1750. C. 1804. D. 1776. The answer is 1789. It started with the storming of the Bastille and led to major political and social changes in France. Which event marked the unification of Germany? A. Treaty of Versailles. B. Battle of Waterloo. C. Franco-Prussian War. D. Congress of Vienna. The answer is the Franco-Prussian War. This war led to the German Empire being proclaimed in 1871. Who led the Salt March in 1930? A. Subhas Chandra Bose. B. Mahatma Gandhi. C. Sardar Patel. D. Jawaharlal Nehru. The answer is Mahatma Gandhi. Also known as Dandi March, it was a key movement against British salt laws. Which party was led by Adolf Hitler? A. Communist Party. B. Nazi Party. C. Labour Party. D. Democratic Party. The answer is the Nazi Party. Hitler became the dictator of Germany under the Nazi regime. Who wrote The Discovery of India? A. Mahatma Gandhi. B. B.R. Ambedkar. C. Jawaharlal Nehru. D. Rabindranath Tagore. The answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. He wrote it while in prison, explaining India's history and culture. When did India become a republic? A. August 15th, 1947. B. January 26th, 1950. C. October 2nd, 1949. D. April 1st, 1951. The answer is January 26th, 1950. That's when the Indian Constitution came into effect. What was the main aim of the non-cooperation movement? A. Quit India. B. Support British policies. C. Achieve complete independence. D. Boycott British goods and services. The answer is boycott British goods and services. It was about refusing to obey unjust laws peacefully. Pack your bags. We're going on a world tour. It's time for the geography round. Let's see if you can find your way around the world. Which is the largest continent? A. Africa. B. Asia. C. North America. D. Europe. The answer is Asia. It covers about 30% of Earth's total land area. What does GPS stand for? A. Global Positioning Service. B. General Population System. C. Global Positioning System. D. Ground Prediction Setup. The answer is Global Positioning System. It helps us find locations using satellites. Which river is called the Sorrow of Bengal? A. Ganga. B. Damodar. C. Brahmaputra. D. Yamuna. The answer is Damodar. Frequent floods earned it the nickname. Tropic of Cancer passes through how many Indian states? A. 5. B. 7. C. 8. D. 9. The answer is 9 states. It includes Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura, Mizoram, and Odisha. Which farming is done in crowded areas? A. Commercial. B. Shifting. C. Intensive subsistence. D. Plantation. The answer is intensive subsistence agriculture. It's labor-intensive and practiced in developing countries. Which is the highest peak in India? A. Mount Everest. B. Nanda Devi. C. Kanchenjunga. D. Annapurna. The answer is Kanchenjunga. Located in Sikkim, it's 8,586 meters tall. The Deccan Plateau mainly has which soil? A. Alluvial soil. B. Black soil. C. Red soil. D. Laterite soil. The answer is black soil, perfect for growing cotton due to high moisture retention. Which mineral is used to make cement? A. Bauxite. B. Iron. C. Limestone. D. Mica. The answer is limestone. It's crushed and mixed in cement factories. Time to talk power, people, and the Constitution. Welcome to the Civics round. Which article gives equality before law? A. Article 14. B. Article 21. C. Article 370. D. Article 32. The answer is Article 14. It ensures every citizen is equal in the eyes of the law. Who leads the government in a parliamentary system? A. President. B. Prime Minister. C. Governor. D. Speaker. The answer is the Prime Minister. PM leads the cabinet and decision-making. What is the minimum age to vote in India? A. 16. B. 18. C. 21. D. 25. The answer is 18 years. This is set by the 61st Constitutional Amendment. What does secularism mean? A. Rule by religion. B. Religion is supreme. C. No religion at all. D. State separates from religion. The answer is state separates from religion. India respects all religions equally. Who appoints the Chief Justice of India? A. Prime Minister. B. President. C. Supreme Court. D. Vice President. The answer is the President. He or she does it based on the recommendation of the judiciary. Indian Parliament has how many houses? A1, B2, C3, D4. The answer is 2 houses. It's the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. What does the preamble start with? A. Truth alone triumphs. B. India is my country. C. We the people of India. D. Unity and diversity. The answer is we the people of India, emphasizing popular sovereignty. Money, markets, and choices that shape the world. It's time for the economics round. Let's see if you've got the brains to balance the budget. What is the main source of rural income? A. IT services. B. Banking. C. Agriculture. D. Mining. The answer is agriculture. Over 50% of India's workforce is in farming. What is unemployment? A. Having 2 jobs. B. Working part-time. C. Not having a job despite a willingness to work. D. Retirement life. The answer is not having a job despite willingness to work. It's a major indicator of economic health. What is the currency of India? A. Dollar. B. Rupee. C. Yen. D. Pound. The answer is rupee. The official symbol is created by D. Udaya Kumar. What is GDP? A. Gross Development Plan. B. Gross Domestic Product. C. General Domestic Price. D. Government Debt Program. The answer is Gross Domestic Product. Total value of goods and services in a year. A person who starts a business is called A. CEO. B. Shareholder. C. Entrepreneur. D. Employee. The answer is an entrepreneur. They take risks to create new products and services. Banking and teaching belong to which sector? A. Primary. B. Secondary. C. Tertiary. D. Quaternary. The answer is the tertiary sector. Tertiary is the service sector. What is per capita income? A. Total national income. B. Income per person. C. Bank deposit. D. Government budget. The answer is the income per person, calculated by dividing national income by population. And that's a wrap, quiz warriors. You've just completed 30 social studies questions. Let's take a look at how you did. If you got 25 to 30 correct, you're a JesmaEdu legend. Nothing can stop you. Got 15 to 24? Awesome job. You're a smart explorer. With a little more practice, you'll be unstoppable. Keep going. Scored below 15? Hey, no worries. Every master was once a beginner. Go back, rewatch, and try again. Want more quizzes like this? Hit that like button and subscribe for weekly learning videos only on JesmaEdu. And don't forget to share this quiz with your friends and challenge them too. See you next time on JesmaEdu.